Hello everyone, welcome back to Light Source Engraving. If it's your first time here, my name is Patrick, your host as usual. And today I have a quick video, but a special video. Two packages sent by two different viewers. I'm going to unbox them and see what is inside. I like sharing the mail call videos with you guys. I think you want to see what folks are sending in as well. And if you want to send something to me, the link is in the description down below. So feel free to send me anything except spam. Now that that disclaimer is out of the way, I'm going to be using a different unboxing knife today. So let's just go right over to the packages and I'll unveil the brand new unboxing knife. Now you saw the pictures of the unboxing knife. Now let's put it to use for the first time. I'm really looking forward to this. And here we go. Oh, this knife is doing a great job. As you can see, here is the unboxing knife. And it is awesome. You can just slice all the way down this and then easily tear that open with our unboxing knife. All right. So this package is from Russ. I want to see what he has sent. He's just got a laserMATIC and sent some projects. Whoa, how cool is that? Oh, and he put my logo on it. That is awesome. Holy moly. What an awesome bottle opener. Thank you, sir. Wow, that's great. That is very nice. That is much appreciated. Thank you. Oh, there's more. Make sure I don't miss anything. Let's see what this is. Oh, let me set this down front. This beer tastes like I'm not going to work tomorrow. That is cool. Made with his laserMATIC. Got a picture on here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that picture real well. It looks good. And the logo, this will make a nice addition to the shop. Thank you so much, Russ. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Wow, that is awesome. Check that out. Thank you, Russ. All right, next up we have a package sent by, I'm gonna call him Murph. We'll just go with the name Murph. And we'll get the unboxing knife out again. And here we go. This unboxing knife is doing a great job. Now, my only concern with it is losing it. As you can see, it is so large, it's easy to misplace. We do have a note in here. Let's see. Inside the box is a mixture of obsidian, petrified wood, agate, and a piece of green jasper. And oh my gosh, not only are there the pieces that I just described, he has included a book on rocks and minerals. How friggin' cool is that? Thank you so much. This is going to be awesome. And I'll sit down with my kids while we're practicing lasering this stuff, and we can all learn about rocks and minerals. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Or maybe you would prefer to be called Ike, so I can call you that. So thank you, Ike. In his note, he did say that he polished some up. Palisade green obsidian. Oh wow. And these are all slabbed. Spiderweb obsidian from an unknown location. Let's check that out. Since I won't have to remove the tape. Oh wow. How cool is that? Mahogany obsidian, midnight lace, Oregon. Petrified wood, unknown location, possibly Oregon. I'm not going to open these that are taped up. Miscellaneous obsidian. Pink plum agate. Oh wow, that is really cool. Pink plum agate, look at that. That's just beautiful. I think what's most exciting about this package is I'm going to learn something new. I don't know a lot about rocks, but pretty soon I'm going to. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is amazing. Silver sheen obsidian. And purple marble. Wow. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Let's get this on camera. Main camera. Very cool. Thank you so much, Russ. I appreciate it. Thank you. And Ike, this is outstanding. I will definitely put this to use. I think I'll find myself just sitting and reading it, because I like learning new stuff, and that will definitely be something new for me. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I just can't wait to dig in to see more of these. But I don't want to rip the labels off yet until I'm more comfortable in identifying what each piece that's in the package is. Although I do want to open this one up for you guys, the petrified wood. Almost lost my unboxing knife. We'll just slice through this tape here. Whoa, that is friggin' cool. Let's get the camera to focus. This is the petrified wood. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much to Russ and Ike. You guys have made my day. This is amazing. I'm humbled. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for tuning in to this quick little unboxing video, or I should call it a mail call video. I do appreciate you tuning in and stopping by. I appreciate everyone that likes the videos and subscribes to the channel. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. But most importantly, everyone, have a great day today, and I'll see you in the next one.